Oh, he got into JNU. Very good. Please convey my regards to him and all the best. Have you ever thought the journey towards civil service can begin in school or in college? That's what Race to IAS is designed for. It's a national level aptitude test which follows the actual structure of UPS, prelims, mains, and interview. But the difference is it starts early. Created by top IAS officers and educators, Race to IAS explore the students' potential, improve their writing and speaking skills, and prepare them and give the confidence for public service. It is not just about testing, it is about learning and growing. Race to IAS exam is open for students from class 6 to post-graduation. Participants are grouped into 3 categories. Category 1, Standard 6 to Standard 8. Category 2, Standard 9 to Standard 12. And Category 3, Graduation and above. The top 5 rank holders from each category will fly to Delhi, will visit Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Red Fort, and other places of national importance. Prize will be awarded to the top 500 students, including cash rewards, medals, certificates, and exciting gift hampers. With a total prize pool of 30 lakhs, Race to IAS is one of the most rewarding competitions in India. And it doesn't stop at the exam. Every registered student also gets access to Civil Service Foundation coaching, 1-year subscription to Current Affairs magazine, study materials and answer writing practices, and live interaction with IAS, IPS, and IFS officers. Since 2017, over 85,000 students have been part of the journey. Race to IAS is not just an exam, it's an early beginning to a meaningful career in civil services. So what are you waiting for? Join thousands of students across India. Raise it and help.